Viewers, Oromia region imposed curfew due to Tigray conflict. As per detail, Ethiopia's Oromia region, which surrounds Addis Ababa, imposed a nocturnal curfew amid the ongoing conflict between government forces and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, people have been ordered to stay at home and businesses closed between 5:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. As you know, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army want to advance towards Addis Ababa. Fighting between Tigray Defense Force and Amhara's forces along with allies is ongoing in Atay and Sanbete. Amhara's forces have installed heavy artillery on Weta mountain and using artillery strikes against Tigray Defense Force. Whereas both sides are claiming their victory in these areas, but fighting is still ongoing. Whereas Tigrayan forces said that they will hunt down foreigners who are supporting the Ethiopian government against Tigray Defense Force. Tigray People's Liberation Front spokesperson Mr. Getachew Reda said the foreigners could be from Turkey, China, Israel, or the United Arab Emirates. Getachew told Reuters via satellite phone, "We don't care what their nationality is. We will hunt them down. They will be treated like the mercenaries they are." Whereas, as you know, the United States imposed sanctions on the Eritrean military and other Eritrea-based individuals and entities over their continued role in the year-long conflict in neighboring Ethiopia that has killed thousands and displaced millions. Viewers, the Ethiopian government asked the United States government to revoke its decision to impose sanctions on Eritrea. The government of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia denounced the announcement made by the United States to impose sanctions on Eritrea. Viewers, for more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.